100 years ago, on July 28, 1914, the First World War began. Initially, the atmosphere in Europe was dominated by enthusiasm bordering on frenzy, for no one suspected or was prepared for a war that would drag on for years and change the world in almost unimaginable ways. Never before had armies fought each other on such a gigantic scale. Never before had weapons of such colossal destruction been used, and never before had a war stretched around the entire world. This channel, The Great War, follows World War I from the very beginning to the very end, exactly 100 years later, week by week, in real time. Using original period footage from the enormous archives of British Pathé, featuring special episodes in a variety of formats, will also shine a light on background topics, historical figures, and lesser-known aspects of the war, and a special community-driven format will answer our viewers' questions throughout the series. This online video history project truly brings history to life like it's never been done before.